going to explain pentagonal pyramid problem. The dimension is 25 mm side, 60 mm axis length, then HP inclination is 40 degree and resting edge is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Draw the sketching and thin line 0.13 mm width, draw XY line and go to diagram, select the text command, caps lock on AX, Y, VP, HP, then draw the pentagon by length and angle method, select thick line, click on the below the XY line, 25 mm, enter, 0 degree, 25 mm, enter, angle is 72, 25 mm, angle is 72 plus 72, 144, then again 25 mm side dimension, 144 plus 72, 216, then again 25, 216 plus 72, 288. You will get this type of pentagon. Then rotate for edge or corner. Go to rotate through window. The base 0 degree line you select. Point to rotate. If you rotate it clockwise 90 degree, you will get a corner case. If you rotate it anti-clockwise 90 degree, the position angle is showing 90. You will get corner, that is edge case. Go to move command. Move it wherever the position is required. And zoom those edge area and join those thick line by corner to opposite face midpoint. Here one corner to opposite face midpoint, another corner to opposite face midpoint, third corner to opposite face midpoint, fourth corner to opposite face midpoint, fifth corner to opposite face midpoint. Then remove those extra line. Only some corner lines you retain, all other lines you trim it. From all 5 corners to center is your apex point. Then start naming by using text command A, small letter A, then it's B, C, D, E, and top face is O1 and bottom face is O2. And show the dimension by using smart dimension any one edge. Any one edge you show the dimension and project for front view upwards. Zoom this much area. Go to line command. Thin line. Width is 0.13. Project A up to XY line. The B and E are same line. Project, and from this center point of pyramid, then C and D same line. Now view fit. The axis of the pyramid is given 60 mm. Okay, only zoom this much area. Go to line, axis line you select, and medium thick 0.35 from axis line. Type 60 mm length, angle is 90. Type line is axis type. From this point, length of the line is 60, then angle is 90. Now select the continuous line, thick line, join to those apex, here one line, here one line, here one line, then join it, because separate line you draw. In second position you have to take end point, then from this point to apex point. Okay, then start naming those points. Top face is O1 dash, O1 dash, this is your A dash, and E dash visible, B dash within bracket. E dash visible, B dash within bracket, and O2 dash won't be visible within bracket, and D dash visible, C dash within bracket. Show the dimension by using smart dimension. Select the axis length, because the axis length which we have taken 60 mm. Show the dimension, and next go to move command, switch on the copy through window including text, select the pyramid, pentagonal pyramid front view, move it from B dash, D dash and C dash over the XY line, and give fit and go to rotate. Through window you select center of rotation is D dash, point to rotate A dash, 90 minus given angle. In problem we have given 40, then the angle you have to give 50. Click it and move those text upwards with the D dash, and switch off the copy. The D dash and C dash has to be move upwards, and can zoom this much area. Show the angle between XY line to XY line to XY line to here. Auto dimension is on. Go to sketching. Here in those auto dimension command have to be switched off. That's why it's showing dimension. Go to angle between this line to this line, drag it. Okay, now you can move this wherever you want. Move this, and next step, project downwards thin line, apex point downwards minus 90 degree, and next A dash minus 90. We have drawn this separate line, that's we are getting end point. Project downwards minus 90, O2 dash, project, then D dash and C dash minus 90. Now project, there is A up to here. You project under O1 also. Project this B, project C, project D, project E. Okay, now trim those extra lines and wanted lines. Trim and start naming those points where and all it's required. Go to diagram, text command. This point is A, B is here, this is your B, and C point is here C, and D is here, this is the D, and E is the point, E point. If it is line is not joined, just move extend to next and trim those extra lines. What all the lines are unnecessary, you trim those extra lines. Okay, these lines are required. Now join those thick line. Point 7, A to B, end point, to C, to D, to E, again A. Now join all those points to the O1 point. A to O1, then B to O1, C to O1, and D to O1, end point, and E to O1, and name this O1 point and O2. O1, if the O1 is visible, O2 backside it won't be visible, forest point, and forest point is D dash and C dash. Those 2 points also within bracket. This C and D in top view is won't be visible. Go to command and show those C within bracket and D also within bracket, and this can be, you can cut those extra things. And next thing is trim those extra unwanted line. This line is not required. Forest point is D and C. Go to select tool. This line is connected to two shorter edges and two longer edges. All these four lines are hidden line. Okay, D and C, and it's connected two longer edges, two shorter edges. And next, draw 30-degree line in third position. Go to line command, take those thin line, take 30-degree, taking little bit down, draw the line, go to angle between from this line to here 30, you type 30, it will change to 30-degree. On this line, this B and C has to be placed. Zoom this much area, go to move, through window you select all the points selected. Axis won't be visible because edge is there from A to O1, axis behind. It is select C, move it, switch on the copy before moving. Move, switch on the copy through window, C to 30-degree line, then go to rotate through window, C is the center and B is the point to rotate. Rotate it. Once the D touches to the 30-degree, it will change the color. Okay, then give fit, project upwards, zoom this much area, and project with thin line O1 dash end point towards right side, then A 0-degree, then E and B end point, E and B, then O2 0-degree. The D and C are with XY line. Start projecting A. A is here exactly 90-degree, and B is exactly this line, and next C is on XY line, and D is XY line, and E is above here, and O2 is the point, and O1 up. Trim those extra length unwanted lines. Okay, you'll get exact. You can zoom this much. Wherever extra line, you can trim it. Fit. Then start naming those points A, B, C, D dashes. Go with selecting text here. This is the point A dash visible. This is the D, B dash, C dash, and this point is D dash, and this point is E dash, and it's your O2 dash. Those O2 dash extra line is there. Use trim command, and this point is O1 dash. Use text command. This is O1 dash. Mention O1 dash Join those by tick line. Nearer face completely A, B, C, D, E visible. Go to line, tick line. Join by A to B to C endpoint to D endpoint to E endpoint. Join and next start with A to O1, B to O1 and next C to O1 and D to O1, E to O1 and next O2 to O2 if you are not getting O2 neatly trim it. The first line is axis line, third one O2 to O1. Now last step hidden line, line passing inside the visible face is hidden line. This point C is passing and it's crossing, make it to hidden line, and this is the problem of, and here also line passing inside the visible face, this is also hidden line. Those two lines are passing and crossing into, let's make it to hidden line, and this completes your pentagonal pyramid edge case direct method problem.